Welcome back to my channel, and now I'm in download driver Epson. This here is tutorial. This here the your type the driver download. Okay, your type the driver download, and please what I am search the VCL website for you. I am like download for the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download. And please what this here for the serial. This here for support the serial. And I am search for Sam for here is tutorial. Is right, and this here is tutorial, and Japan Japan the serial number printer, and this here the printer. You scroll on and this white specification and back again, back again. Some Japan. Here driver down. Driver. Okay, this here for the driver Epson, and this here for the driver for the Windows 11. And if you need change, you click here. This here for the Windows 11 and Windows 9.1, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 7, and this here for complete driver for Windows, and this here for select your server for the Windows, and this here for Macintosh, this here for Mac 12 and Mac 11, Mac 12, Mac 11, and new driver for Mac, and this here for Mac 12, you select here, click here. This here for Mac 12 driver, you look in the driver, this driver and needs is necessary to use your product in a compatible uh, environment. And if you need to load a driver, this here for driver, and this here for the firmware. You look in the release update and new release update. And if you need to load, you click here download, and this what. And this here for the Japan language. If you need download, you click here download. And this what this here for the driver actual live download. Okay, this video you need to download for the driver of Windows 11, and you select here the system operation for the Windows. You see select, you click here the Windows 11, and you click here. This here for the driver for the Windows 11 driver and the software, and this here for the firmware for the Windows 11, and this here for the driver for Windows 11. If you need, you look in the release update, and this here for field site. Okay, if you need to load, you click here to load. Cancel here. You click here download for the drive for Windows 11, and you click here. You download this driver. Okay, if you need install driver for if you need install driver for your product, your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and print